Alright, it's day number 1 of working. Got a bunch of supplies. What we're going to do today is take this front door out. For some reason it swings. As y'all might think this is a little odd. It actually swings. This door actually swings outward. Okay, I don't know who set that up. Swings outward. Okay, which makes it a conundrum because the door that was on his basement swung inward, swung towards this door. So what we're gonna do is put a brand new door in. We got one in the garage, and we'll show you the update. It's day number 1.